If you're looking to edit audio in CapCut for PC, whether you want to work with background music, voiceovers, or simply clean up your video's sound, this tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end, you'll know how to separate or import audio, make precise edits, adjust volumes and fades, enhance voice recordings, and even layer in effects or voiceovers right inside CapCut. Let's dive in and transform your audio like a pro. First, let's talk about getting your audio onto the timeline. If your sound is already attached to a video clip, it's easy to extract it. Just right-click on the video in your timeline and choose Extract Audio. CapCut will automatically split it into a dedicated audio track so you can work with the sound independently. This is super useful if you want to tweak dialogue or background music without affecting the visuals. If you have a separate audio file, like an MP3 or WAV, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline. CapCut is very forgiving with formats, so you shouldn't run into compatibility issues. Once your audio is in the timeline, you're ready to start editing. Now, let's shape your audio clip. If you need to trim away extra seconds at the start or end, click and drag either edge of the clip. You'll see how the waveform shortens, making it easy to snip off silence or irrelevant bits. For splitting, say you want to cut out a section from the middle, move your playhead to the exact spot where the change should happen. Then, hit Ctrl+B or use the handy Split button. This creates two separate segments you can move or delete individually. If you accidentally split in the wrong place, don't worry. You can always undo or readjust. CapCut makes experimentation low stress. Volume control is another key skill. Select your audio clip and check out the volume slider in the right-hand panel. Raising or lowering this slider adjusts the entire clip's loudness. Super useful if your background music is overpowering the dialogue, or if your microphone was a little too quiet during recording. For more nuanced control, look at the white line running through the audio clip on the timeline itself. Dragging points on this line lets you adjust volume levels at specific moments, perfect for fading music out underneath a voiceover. Speaking of fades, just grab the small white handles on either end of your audio clip. Dragging these will create a smooth fade in or fade out, which helps prevent those jarring starts and stops. CapCut also offers audio enhancement tools for those who want clean, professional-sounding voice tracks. Select your audio clip, head to the Audio tab in the right panel, and look for Enhance Voice. Clicking this enables background noise reduction and echo cancellation. Ideal for home recordings where there's a little hum or room noise. It's a subtle effect, but it makes a noticeable difference, especially for podcasts or narration. To add a creative touch, explore CapCut's built-in sound effects and music library. You'll find ambient sounds, whooshes, jingles. Just drag them onto your timeline like any other clip. Layer them for dramatic effect, or spice up your edits with transitions that pop. And if you want to record your own voiceover, the process couldn't be simpler. Hit the record button, speak into your microphone, and CapCut will lay down a new audio track instantly. It's great for adding commentary or instructions right within your project. Editing audio in CapCut PC is all about balancing clean sound with creative choices. Don't worry if you need to try things more than once. Practice makes perfect. And CapCut is very beginner-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your questions or tips in the comments below. And if you want more guides on editing tools, hit subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!